Good day, Patriots. I hope that you are all doing extremely well on this Monday. And I would like to share this with you. The last 4 years or so, we've been actively making a list of the possible things that could lead to a collapse in South Africa. So, as you know, this list is quite long. It starts, for an example, with our electricity grid. What would happen if the power goes out for more than 3 or 4 days? How the food system, the just-in-time food system in South Africa would collapse. Recently, the water crisis has started popping up in the cities. What would happen if a big city like Johannesburg or Pretoria or Bloemfontein or Durban or Cape Town literally ran out of water, and let's say they don't have water for 2 or 3 weeks continuously. So we've made a whole list, and this video is actually not about that specific list. It's about one specific thing that could lead to the collapse of South Africa. And ironically enough, it is the one thing that this current government, the government of national unity, can you believe it, have a tremendous focus on.
The quickest we can get to a very abnormal situation is for people not to have food.
So the question we should ask ourselves is, what should lead to a situation where there will be no food? And I actually found this specific podcast. It's three black gentlemen that are talking about what will happen if the farmers packed up and left today, or the farmers just went. So we do know that land expropriation is a focus on farmland, or a part of it is a focus on farmland. But we also know that land expropriation is a focus of white people owning property. And listen to these guys and you'll understand that from a black man's perspective, food is extremely, extremely important, and that this might lead to the collapse of South Africa.
So if the white farmers leave, we'll be fine in SA.
If the white farmers leave, then we are going to enter civil war. Because people are going to come into your house to get food. The hungry will eat the rich.